How to fix WhatsApp status all sharing option not showing. So if you want to fix WhatsApp status all sharing option not showing, then what you need to do is first you just need something, make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to open up your Play Store and go with search. And from search, you need to search for WhatsApp. After searching, if you have any updates on your WhatsApp, you just need simply go and update it. And after updating, your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then you need to go back and then just search for WhatsApp, tap and hold on to your WhatsApp application, go with the app info. From the app info, you need to go with storage and cache and then go with clear cache, which will be on the right side. After clearing your cache, your problem might be fixed. If that still doesn't fix your problem, you need to open up your WhatsApp. After that, go with the three dots, which will be in the top right, and then go with settings. From settings, you need to go with privacy. And from privacy, you need to go with status privacy. And here, you will have your allow sharing option. You need to go and allow the sharing. That's how you can fix your WhatsApp status all sharing option not showing. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.